Hello smart people, and welcome to the solution to puzzle number 3. The question is, which number replaces the question mark and completes the puzzle? We have 3 triangles with different numbers on the various positions of the triangles, and our object is to find a number to replace the question mark over here. Let's begin by naming our triangles as triangle number 1, 2, and 3. In mapping up a strategy to solve this puzzle, we can analyze the numbers on the various positions of the triangles. That is, we have the top numbers, the base numbers, and then the center numbers. Or we can go ahead to analyze the numbers on each triangle to see if there will be a connection. In looking at the numbers on the various parts of the triangles, we can see from the center numbers that when we subtract 4 from 10, it will give us a 6. We have 10 minus 4, and that is equal to 6. This means that we have to subtract numbers on the first triangle from the second triangle, and that should give us the number on the third triangle. So we subtract 1 from 7, and that should give us a number over here. But realize that when we subtract 1 from 7, it should give us a 6 and not a 3. In the same way, when we look at the base numbers, we should subtract 3 from 7. It should give us a 4 and not a 5. So see that 7 minus 3 should be equal to 4 and not 5. So clearly we can see the result that this cannot be the pattern to solve the puzzle. Therefore, this will be ruled out. The numbers on the various triangles to find if there will be any connection among the numbers. You can see from the first triangle that when you take 1, 3, and 4, the sum of these numbers will have a connection with the middle number, because when you add 1 to 3 to 4, the sum is 8. 8 has a connection with 4 over here, and that is when you divide 8 by 2, the result gives us a 4. This means that we have to sum the numbers on the various vertices and divide by a common denominator 2, and that should give us a number in the center. So we are going to add 7 to 7, 7 plus 7 plus 6. So 7 plus 7 plus 6. 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus 6 is 20. When you divide this by common denominator 2, it should give us 10. 10 is the number in the center number in triangle number 2. So we can see that this clue seems to give us a pattern, and therefore when the same pattern is followed, it should be able to give us a number to replace the question mark. Okay, so you can see that we are going to add 3 to 5 and then to the unknown number and divide all by 2, and that should give us a 6. So having 3 plus 5, let's use x in place of the question mark. All divided by 2 should be equal to 6. Solving this simple equation gives us 8 plus x over 2 equal to 6. By cross multiplication, we have 8 plus x being equal to 12. Subtracting 8 from both sides of the equation gives us s to be equal to 12 minus 8. S therefore is equal to 4. So we have 4 to replace the question mark. We can go ahead the value of x in place of the question mark to find that if by dividing that one by the common denominator 2, it will give us 6. So let's go ahead and add 3 plus 5 plus 4. 3 plus 5 is 8 plus 4 is 12. And when you divide 12 by the common denominator, which is 2, gives us x's, and we have 6 in the center of triangle number 3. So this will be the solution to puzzle number 3. Thanks for watching and see you next time.